Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Joelle and I am currently doing an April challenge, posting one video per day. And we are almost at the finish line. I can feel it. We are almost there. And if you watch my previous videos, you know that I am going through a change in my business because my Papa's store just got shut down. Randomly out of nowhere on a random Tuesday at 12 p.m. And I had to hurry up and get all of my stuff out between 2 days. So Tuesday night, I ended up getting all of my inventory. My inventory actually all have sensors still on it. So I had to buy the sensor remover for it so that I can sell it online. And then also, and then yesterday I had a pack fill day. I had to go to Home Depot. I had to rent a cargo van. Had to drive that big cargo van to the store. Me and my husband grabbed the rest of the furniture. So I have the table in my living room right now, trying to decide what to do with that, if I want to sell it or if I want to keep it, because it would make a good office desk, but just not right now. So a lot has happened since. And today, exciting news. You see my mannequin right there. But anyways, today, exciting news. I'm actually receiving my dress form. Originally, I was going to possibly return it just because I have this form back here. But eventually, the goal is to, I don't know, do something else, right? Like, I don't know if it'll be a store right now. I don't know if it's something that will be in the future, but of course I'm going to need this mannequin for something. So I am going to stick with my plan of having the dress form. The dress form is more closest to my size. This is a small. I'm more of a medium. So I'm going to just keep my dress form. I want it. I deserve it. With all the things I'm going through, why not? So as you know, next week I am going to Costa Rica. Finally. Oh my gosh, I feel like I really, really need a vacation now. Like, I'm just so glad that this didn't happen next week, because then if I would have been in Costa Rica, I don't know what I would have done. I don't know what I would have done, because it's not like we really have like the support where somebody could have helped us to get everything out. Or I don't know what I would have done. So I'm just grateful that didn't happen. And today I got on the computer and I'm actually like focusing on optimizing my website in the best possible way for organic search. Everything starts with the website first before I start again promoting and kind of if I wanted to run ads, but I want to make sure that it's going to a website that is ready to have purchases come on the website. So I've been working on SEO on the website today. I've been working on, I then am going to work on the pictures, seeing if I need to do any pictures myself or if I'm relying on AI for some of the pictures, so that everything looks cohesive and looks great. And then after that, after the website is done, it's then building out a strategy to where I am getting new customers, people in to shop, which is the one thing that I kind of struggle with, because I ran ads recently, a Meta ad, and Meta is pushing to this place where they're trying to have everybody trust their AI, but the thing is, it is pushing to the wrong demographic for me, and they're not really allowing targeting to be a thing where you can suggest targeting to them, but they're taking it looks like they're taking it as a grain of salt. Like it's not really them trusting it at all. So I may just see if I can use another platform when it comes to ads. I think I'm gonna schedule a call with Pinterest, because with my brand, I know a lot of people are searching for like vacation outfits, dresses on vacation and things like that. And since my brand is like a very specific niche type of brand, and it's only focusing on that vacation resort wear summer all year round, I think I'll have my best, I think the ads work best on either Google or on Pinterest. So I'm going to identify what that looks like. So I'm just doing some work. When I should get my form today, so I will be coming back to this video so that I can wrap it up with unboxing my actual form. Okay, so we're back and it's here. My husband's like, when he answered the door, he was like, oh no, another mannequin. It is not a mannequin. This is a mannequin. This is a dress form. He doesn't know the difference, but he said I was in a better mood, so that's good. I'm sounding like I'm in a better mood. Because what am I gonna do? Sulk about it? Like, I just have to keep going and keep moving. I mean, what am I gonna do? I'm still in business. Like, I still have the opportunity to spread the word of my products. So I just gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna open it. These scissors are so sharp, but no, I think it'll probably be better if it's open this way. And how did I didn't even feel, I'm already bleeding and I don't even know how that happened. Like, I don't even know how that happened, guys. I gotta put my son's Paw Patrol bandaid on myself. Let's see, okay. Okay, the reveal. Okay, so this is probably the stand. But here is the mannequin. Oh my god. They packed it really good. Well, not the mannequin, the dress form. See, I even call it a mannequin. I mean, there may still be hope for me to do my Costa Rica dress, but we'll see. Because I'm also going on a cruise, so I may can do something for the cruise. Okay, so this is the mannequin. I got a size 8, which is most closest to my size. And then this is also the little string, the stand. And then these are the cuffs that go on the shoulder. And I think this might be the base of it because it's very heavy. I say this, recycling has just left, and they could have just picked that up, the box, because I don't know what I'm going to do with that box otherwise. Okay, so this is the actual directions of how to set this thing up. So install all 4 caster wheels by screwing them into the 4 holes. Wow, this is like some legit stuff. But you know, I would expect it to be legit because I paid $300 for this. So you can see, and this is heavy. Oh my gosh, that is so heavy. But there's wheels, so it does wheel around, but I don't know how good that will be on the carpet, but we'll see. I may have to go get my husband's screws, because I may need some screws for this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix it together, and I will come back on here to show you guys the final product. So we are officially in business, and you can tell the difference between this mannequin and that mannequin. So this is a dress form, and it's size 8. And I'm just so happy. It also has wheels, so I can't wait to design on this, and hopefully maybe we can design our Costa Rica dress or something on there this week. But I'm super excited to finally have it. I had to figure out how I'm going to get rid of this box. But yeah, go ahead and follow for more. And I think actually, I know this is kind of random, but I think I'm gonna put my sign up here, and I could probably do like lives in this room. So that's actually very exciting. I'm just trying to get more excited about this whole thing, about everything, just my whole life basically crashing down in 1 week, but it's okay. We're gonna get through it.